Behind you. Okay.
The suffering Christ on the cross, the eyes, the muscular figures is to portray his strength, the emotional figures, Hendrik Verwoerd, the chief architect and perpetrator of the apartheid regime, piercing the side of Christ, responsible for so much blood being spilled. His henchman, John Foster, holding the gold and vinegar sponge, responsible for so much bitterness. The coloured Madonna, no particularly as racial bigotry as we knew it very back in the 60s. This is an exact replica of the painting where only two prints were made. The one was given to a dear comrade Winnie Mandela, and this one is for you, from the Tuli family and from myself.
umsebenzi ezandleni zakho. Sikhuleka ukuthi uhambe ngenhlelo nangemfanelo. Siyabonga ukuthi uyasiza njalo. Namhlanje njengoba ukhona uzaqhubeka usisize. Sikhulekela abaholi osiphe bona banikeze iwisdom njalo njalo ukuhola umhlambi wakho abantu bakho. Konke lokhu sicela emandleni egama lika Kristu Jesu. Amen.
Ukhona umama uSomlomo waDukuza ukhansela uVelu Thole. Likhona ilunga le-executive committee yase-Ilembe District Municipality ukhansela uAshin Khandeni. Yeah. Bese ke kuba khona ke namanye amakhansela njengoba ngishilo aqhamuka kwezinye indawo njengoba niwabona. Bese kuthi etafuleni lethu ngaphambili ukhona uDr. Albertina Luthuli, imember yeParliament kuzwelonke, ikhona phakathi kwethu ephinde futhi ibe indodakazi yakwaLuthuli. Ukhona futhi nomnumzana esingaye namhlanje la uyena waqala nomsebenzi lana umnumzana